Hello and welcome to Practical Apps, a screencast series designed to help you improve your development portfolio. My name is Colin Morgan and I'll be your guide. I began the journey to becoming a software developer in 2009 when I taught myself to program. Over the last decade, I've managed to leverage that knowledge into a six-figure career in the software industry while working from home and setting my own hours. Today, my goal is to pass on that knowledge and help people find success in the same industry. In this series, I walk you through the step-by-step process of designing and developing a web application using Python and the micro framework Flask. This application will allow you to create scheduled reminders that are then sent to your phone via text message. You'll learn how to design and develop the application from scratch, integrate third-party services like Twilio, and leverage framework libraries like Bootstrap to quickly create user interfaces. The goal of this series is to provide you with marketable experience by creating a web application from scratch. Once you finish this series, your code can be used to fill out your portfolio and highlight your ability to apply your knowledge of Python into practical application. As a self-taught developer, I know the types of practical experience employers are looking for, which is why I've chosen the SMS Reminders app to help you become more employable. By completing this series, you'll gain experience in full-stack development, modern application architecture, external API integrations, the Flask micro framework, asynchronous task management, app security, Twitter Bootstrap, database ORMs, and much more. Prerequisites for this series are a working knowledge of the Python programming language, some knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and an internet connection. The rest we'll figure out together. Thanks for your interest, and be sure to check out the series details for more information.